License plate say fresh and I had dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say that this Karen was wearing, but I thought, man, forget it. Well, home's the Bel Air. I pull. Welcome back to Cageland. Today I have a huge kids clothing haul for you. I am so pumped about this because I found some great deals, great items, and I mean, who don't want their kids to be fly, okay? A few days ago, I went shopping at JCPenney to find the kids' clothes. JCPenney is honestly like one of our favorite stores to shop at. I can find kid stuff, home stuff, and y'all know how I feel about this home decor stuff, and just everything. Oh, and they have Sephora. Like, come on. You can't beat JCPenney. I went into JCPenney. If you missed that vlog, I think it was like a shop with me. I will link it in the eye so you can see it. But today I'm gonna show you the kids trying on all of their stuff, and I'm gonna talk about why I got certain things and show you how I put certain items together, because I'm obsessed with these kids, and I'm even more obsessed with dressing Noah. So if you are a mom and you know you're looking to save some money and you are looking for cute items for your kids, then stay tuned. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by showing you all of Jacob's items. When I'm shopping for Jacob, I'm always like more excited to shop for Noah because I feel like the designers actually take the time to design cute items. But when it comes to the boys, it's like basic button-ups. If I can like really become a designer, I would start designing cute boy stuff. Now you can go in and out of H&M to find stuff, but the price, you will not find the same stuff like price wise. I typically don't shop for him. Rob normally shops for him and I shop for Noah. That's just how we've always done it. But this time it's summertime and I really feel like I needed to shop for him because Rob is like an outfit type person. Like everything has to be stylish. We're outside every single day in the summer, so I wanted to get him some just throw on t-shirts, some like basketball shorts, cute little outfits here and there, but for the most part I really was trying to like rack up on t-shirts and stuff for him. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the reason I was singing that song is because I found this t-shirt right here and I thought this was so cute. It's like on the playground is where I spend most of my days, and that made me start like singing the song. So this is just a black and gray t-shirt. Jacob right now is in 2T, so, and this is the Okie Dokie brand. Now, one of the things at JCPenney that I love is that they have a mix match table. And I used to do that at Target, but I love JCPenney because one, is cheaper, two, the quality. Like I honestly will have this stuff until next summer. And you know, even though he wear 2T, the t-shirt will still reach over to 3T. So you want the best for your dollar, and I just really feel like JCPenney is the best place to do that. So I got him 14 of these like t-shirts. I have this one. It's just a dinosaur. Another t-shirt I got is just this little blue and white striped one. I want to say they were $4.99, but then I got like a whole bunch of extra coupons. So the table is $4.99. Everything on the table is $4.99. Some stuff maybe $6, but for the most part the whole table is $4.99. So I just mix and match that table the best I can because I know he's gonna be running, playing, jumping. It's no point in spending $30, $40 for a t-shirt for him because I end up throwing a ton of his stuff in the trash. So to get 14 just t-shirts alone was a great start for the summer. So here's another. So this one, another just striped t-shirt. I'm gonna run through these guys. He loves this dinosaur character, and it says, "Don't worry, be snappy." And it has a zipper here on it, so he could just put something in this. And if you know, all 2-year-olds, they love to zip and buckle and anything that they can play with, and especially if they're able to wear it. Like, he's going to love opening and closing this. Not only is he gonna love opening and closing it, he's gonna love putting something in it as well. This is so, so cute. And on the back, it has like the little dinosaur things all the way down. So he picked this out himself. When I had him try it on in the store, he just kept like turning his back, trying to see himself. It was so cute. Now this one was, I think this is my favorite one of all of them. And it's just like a little monster shirt with a blue pocket. So sometimes you can find really cute stuff in it, but this will be in the trash after one wear. Like, I'm just so used to it. Boys are so different. Noah can keep her stuff for so long, but boys are just boys. They're just so rough. They rough from everything. So here's another one. And this is like a basketball jersey. Not that he's playing a basketball, but I just thought this bright color was so cute. So I got these cute little shorts. And I get him a lot of these in different colors because you can mix and match these with any of the t-shirts that I got. And I just got, you know, some cute bright summer colors. These he can throw on any day. He can throw this on with a collar shirt and be super cute. T-shirt, tank top, just a day out. I am happy to throw these on for him. And then they have like little pockets, which really made it special because he just loved the pocket thing. Like, he absolutely loves to put his hands in his pocket. He thinks he's a little man. So I got him the basketball shorts to match this shirt right here. So I got him this and this. So that's an outfit. The blue and white ones, the basketball shorts. Oh, and these are so cute. He picked these out himself, and they're just a little shark pair of shorts. I just thought these were so cute. And I love these little jogging shorts because they all have like some sort of a drawstring and pockets on them. So these with the little trucks on them, these are so cute. And he loved these too. And there's another blue and white stripe pair. And these little collar shirts, you really can throw on with any of the, like, you could throw on with any of these shorts. A blue one, I got a ton of these. I think I got 6 of these. And then I found this little collar shirt here for him. And it's light fabric, light material, so it's easy. He can wear it during the summer and he'll be fine. He won't be hot in this. Everything I got for him is the same brand. And then here's one that I thought was so cute. Look at the little sharks on them. So yeah, I can't wait to put this on him with some jeans and maybe like a white tank top underneath it with some chucks or something. He's gonna be super cute. Then I got him some PJs. So I got this one set here, and then I got these, but he wore the shirt last night. So the stars and the boots, these are so cute. I think they're so cute. And then I found this one on the clearance table. So on top of them having the Mitch Mac table, they also had a clearance table that I just ran through, y'all. I ran through it, and I think this shirt was like 90 cents. And this one was $1. These were $1.80. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you guys what I got for Noah. Noah right now is in a, it depends. Her size ranges, like it depends the brand, who makes it, how it's made, what type of material. Like, I honestly have to pay attention to all these things because she is very small. She's very skinny, but she's tall. So it's like she wears 5T because that's the age, that's the size she's in. But some brands, the 5T is just like really too big for her. So I end up having to just shop for her more. I thought she was in the at least a 4-6 extra small in the little girl section. So we spent most of our time in that area. And then we got to the dressing room and realized all of this stuff is too big for her. So she's not quite there yet, but I was able to pick up at least 1 or 2 items that it's okay if it fits kind of big because the slouchiness makes it cute. For Noah, I went to the table, but I also got her a ton of outfits as well. And these outfits were kind of like, maybe I put them together or they were already put together on a hanger and I just bought the set together. So not everything came off the table, but if it didn't come off the table, I'll specify that as well. So I'm gonna get started with my favorite t-shirt because this is actually true. it says, this is going on my mom's blog. How freaking cute is that, y'all? So cute, because it's definitely going on my vlog. I love the sleeves because it's so like summer, and I love the bright color that we found in this. I thought this was perfect for the summer. It's bright colors, it's everything. It looks like summer. Like when I saw this, it just felt like summer to me. So she didn't really care for it, but once she put it on, she was like, oh, I like it. I have this rainbow t-shirt with the ruffle sleeves. I just thought this was so cute. And to go with it is this skirt and leggings set, and it has the clouds on it with the yellow leggings attached to it. This is perfect too for the summer. I think that it's good to, you know, encourage them to stay active, and so we got her a workout outfit, y'all. And she actually wanted it. She was so happy. She was like, oh, I got a workout outfit. She was like, I'm gonna be just like you, mommy. Anyway, so I got her this, and it goes with these little workout shorts. These are from that table, Mismatch table I was telling you guys about. These are 5T. They're super cute. They're perfect to just kind of throw on a t-shirt with. So I got this t-shirt to go with that. And the t-shirt is a 5T blue one. I thought it was so cute. And I like to get versatile things so that I can mix match them, and it makes the kids stuff last longer because you can use it multiple times. Look how cute this is. It has the ruffles on the sleeve, and it has like little ice cream cones on it. Off that table, I thought this was so cute. What I love about these shorts is that they have the little tie things on the inside to make it smaller. So even though it's a 4T, it still ran kind of big on Noah, but it was perfect because I can bring it in with the ties. I don't know why they don't make all kid clothes like this. Like, I think every kid item should have the drawstrings on the inside. Another workout t-shirt that I got is this one. It says play with heart. Another cute little item we got, and this matches almost like the skirt that you saw with the birds on them. I just thought this was so cute. It's another ruffle tee, and this is a 4T, and it's the same brand. I got it off the table. I just thought this was so cute. We were able to find this little tiger print pink and white striped t-shirt, and it has a tie at the very end. I just thought this was so cute, and honestly, Noah was the one who picked it out. She found it. So this is one of those items I was telling you guys, it's okay if it fits kind of big because it looks like it was made that way. Brand is Arizona Jean Company, and it's extra small 4-5. So that's the size I can't wait for her to really get into, because I feel like that's when the designers really step it up a notch. I just thought this was so cute, so like old school. It reminds me of like a vintage top. Came together as a set, so there's these little white shorts with little bows on the side, spaghetti strap top here. It fits big, it fits very loose, but I just thought the color was so pretty. This is the back here. It's a lot bigger than I would like Noah stuff to fit her. So what I did was, you can see like a little hole here. What I did was I took a pin and pinned it in the back, made almost like a ruffle, and let it flare out in the back. The shorts comes with it. I got her this ruffle jumpsuit. It's so perfect for the summer. This was like the perfect summer haul, y'all, because everything I got was strictly for the summer. Bright colors, loose material, breathable fabric. Like, it was just so cute. These were so cute, and they stopped like midway at her calf. Look how cute these are. Like, come on. These scream summer. These I really wish I could get are these little pineapple hot pink biker shorts. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I love these. So we were able to find her a pair of shorts, and these are like staples in the summertime. You have to have these in the summertime when you have kids, because they go with everything and they're so cute. So I found these little blue jean, what we call Daisy Dukes. And they have like all these little details in them. All right, and then the other pair I got, these are my favorite. Oh, I love these. When I saw these, y'all probably saw it in the vlog. I was like, oh my God, no, look at this. I love these, y'all. These are like super cute, dude. Like, how many of y'all will wear these right now? Oh my gosh, we're almost done, y'all. Alright, so I also like to get her, make sure that they have night clothes. These are just regular, like, sleep pants. These are cute. And then the top is, it says twirl. And y'all know Noah is always twirling around somewhere. Very last item, not even looking for it or knowing that they even had it. We found this JoJo ruffled top. Look at this, y'all. So this is like the summer staple. How perfect is this? This is so cute. So all the girls love JoJo. So it says sweet, and you know, it says JoJo right there, and it has a cupcake on it. I had points because we always shop there, so I've just been building up points. I think I had like a $10 reward, so I was able to use that. So the very first day, my total was $221.51. And I had a total of 32 items. My total discount with all those items, the first day I went, it was $279.90. Girl, how you save $280? So I saved $280 the first day I went, because I went back like a few days to a different one, and that was a thing. I went to one and the department was full of great boy stuff but not girl stuff. Then I went to another one and it was full of great girl stuff but not boy stuff. So it's kind of hit or miss. So make sure you know, probably go to more than one JCPenney to kind of look around, because that's exactly what I do when I look for the kids stuff, because different areas require a different level of brand. The next day that I went, JCPenney decided to have like a 70% off, and then they gave me, so my total was like $200 and something, and then so I got the 70% off every item, so that gave me like a huge discount. And then when I got to the register, the girl was like, well, you have all kids stuff, so it's 10 off of 50. Say what now? So for every $50 I saved $10. So what she did was she rung everything up separately up to $50 so that I can get a bigger save. I ended up just going back to get more stuff for the kids. So the total amount for everything that I got for the kids, all their stuff, was exactly $400, like down to the penny, exactly $400. I spent $200 on Noah and $200 on Jacob, and I have enough stuff for them for the entire summer. Like, I won't have to do this again until about, I would say, like the end of September, October, when the weather starts to change. So hopefully we can, you know, get past the summer without having to damage out a lot of stuff, because I do that with Jacob, which is why I bought him so many t-shirts. But for Noah, I think she's pretty set. I typically keep staple jeans and stuff already, so that you can mix and match those things with your stuff too. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying all of the mom videos. I know that V-Live is typically like a vlog challenge, but I decided that, you know, instead of just only giving you vlogs so you follow me around and be bored all day, I would give you guys mom tips, hauls, and decorating stuff. So there'll be a ton of videos. I mean, guys, it's 31 days in a month, so I have more than enough stuff to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. The kids absolutely love putting on that fashion show for you guys. Okay guys, so we will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and do not forget that V-Live is all about the vlog challenge that we have with Mommy Wolfpack. So go over and tell her hello. She does great hauls, y'all. Like the last one, she went to, what was it, Hobby Lobby? I've seen so many hauls from her just over the last like 2 weeks. I think she went to Target, Hobby Lobby. If you have pets, like, she'll be perfect for that. So yeah, and she has kids that she's always having to shop for, and she actually show you outfits that she lay out every day for the kids. So if you're looking for inspiration to dress and how to put things together, be sure to head over there and tell her I said hello. Thank you so much guys for joining us during this V-Live vlog challenge, even though this wasn't really a vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Dang, I'm looking a little cross-eyed.